If you're looking for ways to stay connected to your customers, maintain that human to human relationship, then this episode is for you. Welcome back to a special quarantined edition of the More Minute. Today I want to talk about how you can maintain relationships and relationship building with your customers even while you work remotely. Working remotely for over 5 years, I've come up with some creative strategies to continue to reach out to people and build relationships even if we're not face to face. And I'm using those more and more, especially as I stay at home and stay in a quarantined state. So unsurprisingly, I think that using video is a great way to maintain those relationships, and using personal one-on-one video that's made for that specific contact that you work with, and being able to share that you're here in your home, they're there in their home with their kids or their pets, and understanding that we really are two human beings, both quarantined, both trying to get our work done, and relating on that human level, and this somewhat universal experience of being in our homes all day or working remotely for long periods of time, being able to share that and use that as a connection to our customers. I also think that you could get virtual coffee with someone, setting up a coffee date where you all can both chat, be on video with your cameras out, being able to catch up with someone, hearing about their day, getting a sense of where they are, and enjoying some coffee together even while you're apart, I think is really important. And using video now is so important because it's really the only way we'll be able to see each other as we work from home and as we practice social distancing. Schedule a coffee meeting or a lunch meeting over video where you get to talk with someone else, you get to see other people, and you get to continue to build that relationship based on a human to human shared experience connection, even if you're doing that from home. And no, there's no coffee in this. I don't drink coffee, but everyone drinks coffee now. So drink coffee, I guess, or tea, or juice, or invisible water.